सो अनुषा, बहुत बहुत बधाई आपको। वैसे तो आप यूनिवर्सिटी ऑफ अलabama जा रही हैं पीएचडी इन सॉलिड फिजिक्स करने और विद फुल
यस
स्कॉलरशिप। अभी रिसेंटली आपका वीजा अप्रूव हुआ है।
यस सर। यस सर।
जरा बताएंगी आपका डीएस
जस्ट
कब, बायोमेट्रिक कब था, और वीजा इंटरव्यू कब था, और क्या क्वेश्चन आंसर रहे?
yes sir. So my biometry was on 21st sir, 21st November 2024. So I have booked the appointment for 2 p.m. So
Okay.
it was nothing but just checking the documents DS 160 and passport whether they are correct and
कहाँ पे
taking the
था?
biometrics.
विच
Sir,
प्लेस वाज
in Hyderabad sir.
इट?
Uh, uh, yes, sir. So it was a general checkups, general biometrics and document verification. And next, my interview was on just now, today, sir. It on 22nd,
नवंबर।
22nd November. Yes, sir. So
ओके।
today at 10:45, sir. So
हैदराबाद।
I think so. Yes, sir, Hyderabad. Uh, and the rush was not there today. So they were allowing 1 hour prior, sir.
ओके।
So my appointment was at 10:45 a.m. But I just went at 9 a.m. But they allowed us,
ओके, वेरी नाइस।
and they're allowing up to 11 appointments also, sir. 11
ओके।
a.m. appointments also, and there was a casual questions about the PhD, sir. The first question she asked was about which university you are going, and what is a place name. She particularly asked what is a place name, and then she asked me whether you have done any research.
And what was your answer to the question?
So at first I said it is in Tuscaloosa, and then I remembered that I have to say the university name, so I said University of Alabama, Tuscaloosa. And next she asked, "You are going for the PhD?" Yes, sir, officer, I said. And next the question was, "Have you published any papers, research papers?" So unfortunately, I did not publish any of the papers, so I said no. And then the follow-up question was, have you done any research and do you have any experience in that? So I said in my post-graduation and undergraduation, I have exposure to the research. I have studied the ferromagnetic materials and its properties, and this topic we were talking in the mock also, sir. The same
Yes,
questions I asked, and
yes,
you were explaining that. So I
yes.
remembered that the same question came. So I answered her confidently. And next, she asked, "What is your research now? What is the research in the university?" She asked, and I explained, "This is a spintronics related to the advanced electronics." And she said, "Explain me in detail." So I explained her, sir.
What
And
did you
she
talk
said,
about?
sir, I said, spintronics is an advanced electronics. You said not to use the word spintronics. So I
Yes.
said it is a advanced electronics which depends on the spin and charge of the electrons. Generally, in normal electronics, we'll use the charge, but in spin electronics, we'll also use the spin to store and process the data.
Very nice.
And
Yes.
I mentioned some of the applications, like spin transistors and MRAM, I said. So she said, "Your visa has been issued. Congratulations," she said, sir.
So you will be very happy. Well, I got it.
Yes, 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 sir. Very, very happy, sir.
बहुत बहुत बधाई आपको। और जल्दी, आई थिंक by
Yes,
end of this month, November, December, you're gonna reach US and start your PhD
yes, sir.
program. How did you prepare for
Yes.
these questions, interview questions?
So, so you have sent me a set of questions, and so I have prepared according to that list, and also my research interest. I have googled it, and I have seen my advisor's work, and matched where is my interest, and I have. Not only learned about the spintronics but also background about that, so we
Yes.
can have a keen idea in case if they ask about more about the things we can say. So I prepared it in a deep way, sir, research. And normally general questions I have prepared on just like that I have prepared, sir.
So what did you put on, like, what did you wear? कपड़े वगैरह क्या सब पहन के गई थी आप?
Just a formal one, sir, with a collar. Actually, I'm not comfortable in jeans and shirts, sir. So I wear just a kurti with a collar, and that's fine, sir.
Okay, so
So
that's
normal
fine.
dressing. Some people are wearing formal dresses like shirts, formal shirts, and women's were also wearing formal shirts and jeans. But which is comfortable, which makes you comfortable and confident, we can wear, sir. Which looks nice on us.
Nice. बहुत बहुत बधाई। कुछ
Yes.
मैसेज देना चाहेंगे? बहुत सारे मतलब आई थिंक स्टूडेंट विल गो थ्रू योर वीडियो
Yes.
स्पेशली अपकमिंग डेज। कैसे तैयारी की जाए और क्या नर्वसनेस से कैसे बचा जाए?
No, sir. We have to be so confident and not to see here and then not to deviate any. We'll get all the rejections we are seeing. We'll come across them, but let it be. So this is my day, and I'll make it. We have to be very confident and don't be nervous. That's all, sir. I thought this is my day. I'll do it.
Yes,
So there were many rejections going on, and they were going very in a dull way. So I did not take it, sir. I thought I should not say anything. I only concentrated on her, sir.
very good. Well, it was all
Yes,
on your day, and your hard work
yes,
is
sir.
just rewarded.
Yes, sir.
And I would say
Mm.
I wish you all the best. Okay, अब जल्दी ही अपना फ्लाइट बुकिंग कर
Thank you so
लीजिए
much, sir.
और आगे
Yes,
बढ़िए,
sir.
इस मिशन को अब अच्छे से काम करिए। ऑलराइट,
Yes, sir.
ओके,
Thank you, sir.
थैंक यू फॉर
Thank you, sir.
बाय बाय।
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. Yes.